The marine, oil and gas and power plant industries are in constant transformation and as such require partners who continuously improve their products and services to meet global demand. At Caterpillar, we recognise that maximising engine reliability, productivity, efficiency and uptime are essential needs of the industries that we serve.
With 80 years of diesel engine manufacturing experience, the MaK engine line became part of the Caterpillar family in 1997. Over the last decade, the MaK brand has expanded in the Asia-Pacific region with the opening of factory-owned regional parts and service facilities in Singapore and China.
In order to continuously improve our support for customers, Caterpillar has continued to invest in our worldwide product support capabilities for our medium-speed engine brands.
In order to address the increasing service requirements of its customers in the region, MaK Middle East opened a modern and well-equipped workshop in Dubai in 2017. The facility in Dubai is the only factory-owned distribution operation in the Middle East for MaK, CM and EMD branded engines for 10 countries across the region. MaK Middle East has also invested extensively in its turbocharger service capabilities that include rotor balancing machines as well as the recruitment of an experienced service team.
Our products are a leading choice for vessel power, power plants and drill rigs and have been developed in line with global industry standards and requirements.
From engines to complete power packages, and from auxiliary power to generator sets, the product line of MaK and CM engines continues to evolve to reflect Caterpillar's engineering breakthroughs such as intelligent design, ease of maintenance, low operating costs, reduced emissions, and dual fuel technology. MaK Middle East is also the factory direct operation in the region for EMD engines. This product line has been designed based on the two-cycle engine and has set benchmarks linked to product reliability, durability, maintainability and emissions compliance.
With our extensive product support offerings, we are able to address the challenges faced by our customers in the marine, oil and gas and power plant businesses.
As part of our effort to serve our growing customer base in the region, MaK Middle East continues to make improvement to our repair and maintenance capabilities here in Dubai.
The Dubai facility provides a comprehensive range of repair, overhaul, maintenance, as well as upgrading services to clients. Engine components serviced in Dubai include cylinder heads, liners, fuel injection pumps, pistons, comrods, fuel injectors, turbochargers, and engine auxiliary components. MaK Middle East also provides the following services to its customers: engine maintenance and overhauls, engine troubleshooting and repair, turbocharger services on board a vessel, commissioning of new engines, scheduled engine maintenance, engine and component overhauling and repair, long-term service agreements, and factory after-sales technical support in the region.
In order to continuously serve our customer better, we provide regular training to our service team.
To ensure consistent levels of quality service for MaK, CM, EMD and turbocharger products, our service engineers and technicians are trained both in-house and off-site in the USA and Germany. MaK Middle East has also increased the resident engineer team with transfers from the UK and Singapore operations into the hub in Dubai.
At MaK Middle East, we provide our customers with highest quality genuine engine parts from our facility in Dubai, Maritime City, and our warehouse in Jebel Ali Free Trade Zone.
MaK Middle East has an inventory of service exchange units available at its workshop in Dubai Maritime City. From here, we are able to provide cylinder heads, pumps, turbocharger cartridges for MaK engines, and new Napier cartridges for non-MaK applications. We also have a branch office in Fujairah, are registered in Sharjah ports, and have a broader regional distribution reach that includes all of the GCC countries and Lebanon. With the facilities in Dubai, MaK Middle East can deliver products and services to customers that are better, more efficient, professional, provide more value, and deliver total solutions on board as well as on site.